Hello everyone, and welcome back to Whimsy Creek Art. Alright, I haven't done a mystery pour in a while, and I've gotten quite a few questions here recently about my mystery pours. So I thought I would take a moment and show you what my mystery pours are and kind of explain them. So what I do is I've just got a blank roulette wheel, and it's called Decision Roulette, and the roulette wheels are blank. So I have added in my own techniques, my own amount of colors, and my own colors that I have. And then I just take a blank 8x10 canvas and I write down on this. I've just laminated a little sheet to keep reusing over and over again. So these are the example here of some of the ones I've done in the past. And you can tell that, wow, what a color combination. You know, I probably would have never put these pinks and purples with this lime green and gold, and it really turned out to be a beautiful painting, even though it wasn't colors I normally would have picked. But when you're picking them at random with the roulette wheel, you're going to get some different color combinations, but some great surprises as well. So, all right, that's just an example, and then here's an example of another one. So I just wanted to show you two examples of how the mystery pours have turned out. We're just going to do a mystery pour, and we're not going to number it. I believe I'm at like number 52, but this is just going to be an example one to show you what this is all about. So what I've done is I've gone in and I've added in a bunch of techniques into the roulette wheel, and we'll just randomly see what we can come up with. All right, we're going to be doing a flip cup today. All right, and so then I just take a dry erase marker and I write in there flip cup. And then next we're gonna spin the wheel. And the next wheel is to figure out how many colors. And so, see, here we have, I got 2 through like 8 colors, and you can edit it. It just comes blank, and I've added in all this information. And so you spin it, and I go with whatever colors it comes up with. So 9 color flip cup. This is going to have quite a few colors in this flip cup. So 9 colors. So added all of my colors into the roulette wheel, and I have my colors all pre-mixed in squeeze bottles. So now we're going to choose 9 of them and just randomly whatever we get. It may turn out great, it may turn out a whole mess, we're going to see. So here's green light, Cascade, right there. It's hard to do it with these gloves on. Bright magenta. Which one is the bright? Oh, right there. Right there. 3 out of 9 chosen. Antique white. Not much left of that, but we got enough to do it. Permanent violet. So we have 5 out of 9 chosen. Brilliant pink. There we go. 3 more. Admiral blue. Blue cotton. So right now we're getting not bad. They're not too bad of a color combination altogether. Last one. Dandelion yellow. All right, so that's 9 colors. Which one of these are right there? Dandelion. All right. Now we have an 8x10 canvas, and now we're going to do our flip cup in our 9 randomly chosen colors. And so I have a playlist on my channel with 51, I believe at this point, paint pours that are these randomly selected colors with the roulette wheel. And that's just that app on my phone. And so I'm really having a lot of fun with this series, and I am going to be continuing it here with a bunch more paintings. I am just randomly taking our 9 colors, getting them in there. This one seems to be a little clogged. Okay. There we go. Get our yellow. Now some antique white. Then a little bit more of that Admiral blue. I think that'll tie it all in real well. And we'll go ahead and put a couple more of these just to finish the cup off. All right, now time to do a flip cup. All right, this is a 3-ounce cup of paint, 8x10 canvas. Ooh, almost hit the camera, and actually I did hit the camera, but almost poured the whole paint everywhere. All right, and with a flip cup, I don't go straight up because then you have drips. I go out and I tip it. Then you don't have drips all over in your design. And the only color that had silicone was the Admiral blue. All other colors did not have silicone. And you can find my recipe for how I mix my paints down below in the description. I have several videos on how I mix my paints actually. So alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and torch this now. I do see quite a bit of air bubbles. And I am also gonna go ahead, I'm wondering if this isn't gonna be quite enough paint. So what I do here is I just kinda gonna add a little bit of blue here just to kind of help it. And this blue is that blue cotton, still our approved 9 random colors. Okay, now I'm gonna start my tipping. Alright, let me wipe my hands a tiny bit and we'll do one more torch. I see some more air bubbles. And then we're done. And so this is my mystery pours. I will link the, and this is my original idea. I will link the playlist down below and you can check out a few others how they turned out. But they're real fun because you never know what techniques, what color combinations we're going to come up with, and it's always something different. All right, well, thank you for watching.